Alright, YouTube, welcome back to another Every Haircut Challenge where we show you guys barbers that have to cut every single haircut in their clientele, alright? Or at least what they did for that day, alright? I got my son, Little 360 Jeezy. You ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, he's ready. Today, we got S-Craft Blendz. Have you heard of him? Have you heard of S-Craft Blendz?
No.
No?
I don't know.
No? He's newly on YouTube, okay? He's repping the Tomb 45 gang, the Headlines gang, okay? And we about to see what his diversity is like. We about to see what his clientele is like. I'm kind of sweating in my head because I know on his Instagram he got nothing but heat. You know what I mean? But I'm just saying though, are you doing that with every single client? Okay, but I'm sitting. If this wasn't on my head, the B2Bs they're sweating right now because I know his cuts is fire.
Dad, do you know you will have a sweater under this? This thing. That thing.
It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Stay tuned.
360 Jeezy.
Alright, YouTube, we are back. And in the intro, I failed to say that we grade these barbers from A to a F. You know how that goes. There's no minuses. There is no plus. So, yeah. You ready to get into it?
Do you think this is when I want to get in?
You ready? Are you ready?
Yes!
Alright, let's go. S-Craft Blendz. Every cut challenge. It's supposed to be haircut.
Yo,
S-Craft.
Jeezy, what's good, man? So, I've heard about the challenge that's been out there, and I've actually had the opportunity to watch several of the videos, and man, I must say that they are very inspiring. I love the fact that this challenge actually exposes us barbers that the reality is not every head that we do, man, is Instagram or YouTube quality. I've had several people hit me up and say, yo, are you going to take this challenge or not? So I thought about it and I figured, you know, I might as well, you know. So anyways, I'm excited today to go into the shop, man.
Yes.
You know, record some videos and see what happens. So today I think I have like 13 people on the boat. Hopefully everyone shows up. But it's gonna be a fun time, and I'm ready to accept this challenge. So let's get it.
Let go. All right. Walking up to the shop.
All right, so I guess this challenge isn't getting started yet. I'm actually outside in front of our shop, and I'm here early.
I was about to say, okay.
And none of our barbers are here with the door open. Unfortunately, yesterday I came in to the shop to do, you know, a head on my day off, and I left my shop keys laying on my station. So I guess I gotta wait a little bit until somebody shows up. Hopefully they show up before my clients do. Let's go.
Yeah, I mean, it's not gonna be like the shop thing.
All right, look who it is.
Okay, all right.
Chelsea, the barber stylist. Good morning.
Okay, all right.
She's here to unlock the door.
I mean, I had the whole vlog thing in my video too, so I can't. What do you think about that right now, dude? It's good. Dang right, bitch. It's horrible. Hey. Hey, this pretty clean. You like it?
Yeah.
Would you give it an A, B, C, D, or F?
What do you mean?
What do you grade it?
A C.
A C? Wow, you harsh. What a tough critic. F is bad, Jared. A is the best. B is an A? Okay, alright. S-Craft is like, wow. Definitely some fire. Some fire. Shadow fade. Yes. You like this haircut?
That looks like a B.
It's like a B?
Yeah.
You're not really feeling this one? I mean, it's like, I mean, it's, Jared, I mean, that's A-worthy, though. It's a shadow fade.
A B.
A B? Damn.
What?
What do you think? What do you think about it now?
What did I say again?
What do you think about that haircut? You think it's gonna be dope? Yeah? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Actually showing you cutting the hair. I was about to say F-Craft. I was about to say if I didn't see some movement with the clipper.
Dad, he looks like he's gonna get bald.
Jared, you don't see this crispy line?
I see the line on his hair.
Is it crispy or what? Is it a good job?
You know what I'm gonna say.
I mean, yeah, it's definitely crispy. S-Craft, I want to say it's a little too high in the corner,
Dad?
but but I could be a little too critical. Yeah.
You know about that J.
You said what? It was a J. Did you like that part or no?
Yeah, I like that part.
You like the part? It's smooth. Goodness, the blend, the transition. Good God. Yes, indeed.
He looks like he's on fire.
With his hair being like that? Okay, that's nice. This is nice visuals right here, cleaning up the shop. Hey.
All right, it's about 3:20 right now. I had a 3 o'clock appointment, but he was a no-call, no-show. And sometimes,
Wow.
you know, I'm okay with that, especially whenever I'm booked all day and I didn't have a lunch planned. However,
Right.
now I have a little bit of time to walk next door to T1 Flats and grab something to eat. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat, and we'll get back to this thing.
I mean, yeah.
I think the next cut that I'm doing is a really high.
Not
fade.
really. He's looking at a
However,
camera.
I mean, this guy likes it
Copy
super,
things.
super high. I haven't brought myself to cut it as high as he wants it. I give the illusion like it's a really high fade. Plus, he has blonde hair, so it makes it look really high. Anyways, so I'm gonna eat. We'll get back to this in a second.
Hey. Now this right here is not a client that you would want to show, but it's being shown.
Dad, that
Yes.
is great.
I mean, the cut is clean.
Worse.
It's worse? It's not worse, Jared. It's definitely better, but it's just like, how much better
That
can you
is
get?
kind of odd.
I mean, yeah, but then, no, Jared, this is a good cut. This is a good cut.
That is kind of odd.
Okay, I'll let you have the oddness. Waivers in the building, stand up.
Boom, boom, boom.
Waivers
Look,
in the
look, look.
building, stand up. Come on now.
They look like a boom.
Waiver in the building. Come on, please. I was about to, come on, S-Craft. I would wanted to see you cut that. It's clean though. It's sliced. He clean.
It looks like he's on fire.
Hey, this cut is clean. Fire. Straight. The wave is clean. Alright, let's see what S-Craft. Whoa. S-Craft, did you cut him last? Cause this is a whoa.
Dad, do you think it's worse?
This is a pushback on. This is a pushback. Actually, I know S-Craft didn't do that. Clean.
That's a thumb
Brought
up.
him back.
That's
That's a
a
thumbs up?
yeah.
That's an A? Is this an A worthy or what?
Yeah.
A?
That's good.
Yeah, it's definitely good. Definitely.
Dad, it has that
Crispy. Way better than what he looked like, huh? Clean. Yes. Yes. Did I just stop it? Yes, I did. Y'all like, why did it stop? I think I just pressed something.
Okay, Dad.
We got some kids in the business, diversity on deck.
Woo!
Okay, let's see. Okay, thank you for turning around. Okay, now I don't really like the particular cut, but it is what it is on that one. It is what it is. But we got another waiver in the building, not totally like a real hardcore waiver, but yes, you see my son over here. He's definitely giving it a thumbs up. Hey, what is that? A shadow burst fade or something? What is that?
Slant, Dad.
I don't know. Let's see the back though.
That's big.
S-Craft, turn them all the way around, F-Craft! I wanted to see what that was because it kind of looked like he had long hair in the back. But, I don't know. But overall, it's definitely a dope cut. He's killing it right now. Yeah, I'm not a fan of these cuts. I'm not a fan of these ones. But if we're judging on how dope the cut is, the cut is dope, man. But the look of it is just not like, I'm not a fan.
All right, everybody, it's 7:45.
Overall, if that's what you had to do,
everybody
it was
showed
dope.
up but one person, I believe, that had a no-call, no-show. Actually, I had another guy rescheduled till 9 o'clock in the morning. So I would have been here until probably about 8:45, 8:30, something like that. But anyways, it was a good challenge. Did the best I could to provide the best quality cuts.
He did a good job.
Sometimes you gotta move a little quick and
let's hear him speak.
So anyways,
And
I
then
hope you
after
enjoyed
the
this.
video, we'll
It was a
judge.
fun challenge. Peace.
Hey.
Piece Rick and Morty sliced in a piece.
All right.
360 Jeezy in the raw building.
All right, YouTube. That was S-Craft Blendz every haircut challenge. Jared. Yes.
Is that done?
Yeah, we're done here. Jared, what do you grade him? A, B, C, D, or F?
All of them?
F being the worst, Jared. F being the worst. A being the best.
A.
You gonna slap him with the A?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, that's what I'm talking about. I would have to agree. We gonna slap him with the A, okay? We gonna slap him with the A. I expected nothing less from S-Craft Blendz, all right? Nothing but the best, okay? Great barber. Just jumped on YouTube. I tip my hat off to you, S-Craft Blendz. I know how them no call, no shows can be, as you seen in George's videos, because he had plenty of them. All right, plenty of the no call, no shows. Okay, and it just happens to the best of us. Okay, it happens to all of us. Even I get them at times. But you know, they put their credit card in, and I charge the bookers for not showing up. You know what I mean? You gonna show up on me? You don't show up on me. Don't show up on me. You getting charged? Okay? I'm just saying. I takes my time serious. Okay? Serious. All right, we out?
Mm-hmm.
You ready to go? You looking bored, Jared. What's up? Are you ready to go? I get you ready?
Nah.
You got anything you want to say? Talk to S-Craft.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. We're done. We're done here.
Peace out!
All right. Peace out. We out. Jared, come on. We out, you guys. We out. We out. This child abuse. We out.